Welcome to Keen Learning. My name is Juan Sebastian Garcia, and we are in the Mobile Device Management Fundamentals class. On this episode, we're going to look at the details of what the mobile device management brings for an administrator for us to understand how to manage the security of your mobile infrastructure. Alright, so basically we're going to discuss a lot of features that we have within an MDM. Things that are very important on an MDM, like automated device enrollment. So basically, when you configure an MDM service, you can have an integration to the Apple Cloud, to the Apple Store. You also are going to have an integration to the Android Store and the Android Google Play Market. So this helps for security reasons. In other words, every time you enable an MDM device on that infrastructure, if it's an iOS device, it's going to be registered to Apple. If it's an Android device, it's going to be registered to Google Cloud. But remember, there's two different levels of integration. You could either enable the enterprise enablement for Apple or the enterprise enablement for Android. Or if you don't want to go that route, you don't need to enable it. You can still download apps either way. Now there is integration to different clouds like Microsoft Azure or other clouds. Now the enrollment typically is the process where I put the phone, I register to the cloud, and then to register, you need to either put a password to it or a QR code scan to it, and then the phone will be registered. So this is a security process where every time you put in a new phone, you need to enroll it, and then you need to protect it with those passwords to be registered with the MDM cloud. So you could also do SMS enrollment. So pretty much you'll receive an SMS message, you click on it, it'll go to the cloud, you put the credentials, and then that phone will be registered. Now there's another feature called end user enrollment, which basically lets you enroll that phone either via email. So those are very handy basic features for MDMs. Like I said, this is based on MAS 360, but if you work with other vendors, it's going to work the same. Now let's talk about assets management for a mobile device management. Basically what we want to have as assets, we could control them with the cloud, with the MDM cloud. Pretty much we're going to troubleshoot and make an inventory of every device. So think about like having a lot of phones that are iPhones, another bunch of phones that are Android. Maybe you got another 50 tablets that are iPads. Maybe you have 30 other tablets that are Samsung tablets. And then maybe you have 100 laptops out there that you're controlling. So all this mix is really a inventory of assets that you control. And it'll let you do a lot of things on those devices. It'll let you troubleshoot devices remotely, take control of them, put in apps, put in policies. It'll let you do real-time location and history of locations for those devices. It could be very helpful. It'll let you users to share iPads to protect their privacy. You could view locations on a single map. You could automatically get complete details of the network and certificates for those phones or devices. You could track the battery levels of those devices and alert them. You could schedule scans of, upgrades, firmware, software, operating system updates, and so on. And something very neat is you could send announcements, messages, or schedule maintenance or emergencies notifications to those phones. So that's a pretty cool feature of mobile device management, how you could really control them even if they're not right there in your desk. All right, so thank you and see you in the next episode.